Hey there, and welcome. We are about to go on an adventure, not through some far-off land, but into the absolutely fascinating world of data. And trust me, it is so much more exciting than it sounds.
I mean, seriously, who hasn't dreamed of being a detective, right? You know, the thrill of the hunt, finding those hidden clues, piecing it all together, and then that amazing aha moment when you finally cracked a case.
Well, guess what? In the world of data, that's exactly what you get to do. It's this huge landscape filled with puzzles and mysteries, but the clues? They're hidden in numbers and patterns. The people who work here are basically modern-day superheroes, using data as their power to uncover the truth. So consider this your official briefing. You're the new detective on the force, and we're going to get you up to speed on everything you need to know. The clues, the cases, the characters, so you can start solving.
All right, detective. First things first. Every investigation starts with knowing your techniques. In our world, the two big ones are data analytics and data science. Now, that might sound pretty similar, but they're actually two totally different ways of cracking a case. So let's break it down.
Okay, so think of data analytics as pure, classic detective work. You are sifting through all the evidence, all the clues from the past, to figure out exactly what happened and why it happened. You're the one answering questions like, hey, why did our sales suddenly shoot up last quarter? You find the patterns that help everyone make smarter choices moving forward.
Data science, on the other hand, well, that's like being a detective and an inventor all rolled into one. You don't just solve the last crime, you build brand new tools to predict and maybe even prevent the next one. This is all about creating models that can forecast what's coming, or building algorithms that can automate really complex tasks.
So, to put it really simply, analytics looks backward. It uses data from the past to explain what already happened. Science looks forward. It uses that same data to build tools that predict what will happen. One is about discovery, and the other is about invention, and you absolutely need both for any successful operation.
Of course, no detective, not even the best ones, works alone. You need a whole team of specialists, and let me tell you, each one has a pretty unique superpower. So let's meet the Data Superhero Squad. Every great team has its specialists, right? You've got your data analyst, the classic pattern finder, who can spot a trend from a mile away. The BI analyst is the storyteller, who takes all that complex data and turns it into a clear, compelling story. Your data scientist is the model builder, creating a crystal ball to see into the future. Then you've got the decision scientist, who's the strategist, the data engineer, who is the essential builder of all your data pipelines, and the ML engineer, who's like the trainer for your AI models. See? Each role is a unique superpower, and they're all vital to the mission.
Okay, so now you know the players, but how does a case actually get solved? What does a data project look like from that very first clue all the way to the final report?
Let's think about it this way. A data project is a lot like building a treehouse. Seriously, it's a group project that needs a really clear plan, you gotta have the right tools, and you need a whole team of people with different skills to bring it all together.
So let's follow the blueprint, shall we? Step 1. You get the goal from the project sponsor. They're the one with the vision and the money. Then the project manager draws the blueprint, organizing everything. Next, the data engineers gather the tools, which means building the data pipelines. Then comes the fun part. The analysts and scientists get to build the house, finding patterns and constructing models. And finally, you share with friends. You deliver the results to the end users, the people who are actually going to use this awesome treehouse. It's a pretty logical step-by-step process when you think about it.
And that treehouse, it gets built by a whole village of people we call stakeholders. You've got the project sponsor, the big boss with the budget, the project manager keeping everyone on track, the DBAs, who are like the guardians of the data galaxy, and of course the end users, the folks who actually get to enjoy the final product. It's a real team effort from start to finish.
Okay, so we've covered the who and the how. But let's talk about the why. Why go through all this trouble? Because this isn't just about playing with numbers and making cool charts. It's about making a real, tangible difference in the world.
Take hospitals, for instance. By analyzing patient data, they can figure out where the bottlenecks are in the emergency room, which means they can optimize staffing and get people treated faster. We're talking about work that can have a seriously powerful, sometimes even life-saving impact.
Or how about schools? They can use data to see which teaching methods are really connecting with students and, just as important, identify which kids might need a little extra help. That means everyone gets a better shot at success.
And in business? Oh yeah. Companies analyze what we think and how we use things to to build products that we actually want and love to use. And hey, it even helps in sports. Teams analyze every little detail of player performance and opponent strategies just to get that tiny competitive edge. So from a hospital bed to the football field, data is making a huge difference. So let's recap your briefing, detective. The key takeaways? First, remember the difference. Analytics is about understanding the past. Science is about building for the future. Second, you always need a superhero team to build that project treehouse. And finally, the ultimate goal, no matter what, is always to help people make smarter, better decisions. Got it?
And that just leaves us with one final question. Now that you've had your briefing, you're officially a data detective. So what mystery are you going to solve first?